In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave group on Facebook. So if you no longer want to be a member of a group, this is how you can go about it. First thing you want to do is open Facebook, and once Facebook is opened, you can search for the group by using the search tab, or to view all the groups that you're a member of, tap on your profile menu at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on groups and then tap on your groups. And this will load and list all groups that you have created or you are a member of. Now scroll down to see all the groups. Find a group that you no longer want to be a member of and then tap on that group. On the group page, you're going to see joined. Now tap on joined and you get the option to unfollow, manage notification and leave group. Now tap on leave group and then tap on leave group again. This will remove you from that Facebook group. So that's how you can leave group on Facebook. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. Also, if you do have questions, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I hope to see you guys in my next video.